In the heart of Mexico City, where history often finds its voice, a new chapter unfolded under the gaze of thousands. I'm talking about the Zocalo, the city's central plaza, which erupted in applause and cheers not too long ago. Why? Because Mexico just made history by electing its first woman president, Claudia Sheinbaum. Claudia isn't just any leader. Picture this: a climate scientist, a former mayor of Mexico City, and now the torchbearer of the Morena Party's populist policies. But she's not looking to simply walk in the footsteps of her predecessor, Andrés Manuel López Obrador. No, Claudia aims to carve her own path, a path that resonates with her unique ideology and vision. Imagine the scene as she stood before the crowd, her fist pumping in the air, not just as a gesture of victory, but as a symbol of change. It wasn't just Claudia taking that stage. She brought with her the legacy of countless women who fought for a seat at the table, our heroines, our mothers, our daughters, and our granddaughters. This victory, she claims, belongs to all who dream of a diverse and inclusive leadership. This isn't just about politics. It's about shattering a glass ceiling that has hung over Mexican politics for far too long. It's about setting a stage for future generations, inspiring not just a nation but potentially the world. Claudia's win is a beacon of hope for many who believe they might never see this day come. So what does Claudia Sheinbaum's presidency mean for Mexico? It signals a shift, a move towards sustaining populist policies while injecting them with her distinct touch of scientific scrutiny and a deep-rooted belief in sustainability. She's ready to tackle big issues from a fresh angle, promising to lead with integrity, innovation, and inclusiveness. As we watch this historic moment unfold, it's clear that Claudia Sheinbaum's presidency could redefine not just Mexican politics, but perhaps set a precedent for global political arenas. The message is loud and clear: leadership knows no gender, and ceilings are meant for breaking. Thanks for tuning in. This moment isn't just a win for Claudia Sheinbaum or Mexico, it's a victory for everyone who believes in the power of change and the unstoppable force of determined women. Let's watch closely as this new chapter in history is written, one bold step at a time.